Hey guys, Tarek with Cyclone FPV here, and I'm doing another RMA video. This time, this was sent to me by a customer who says that he ordered the ToolKitRC. Let me just get to it here. There's no sense in talking without showing you. Okay, so he ordered the ToolKitRC. Guys, information's on the other side. Package has been unopened. It got delivered a couple days ago. This part's open, but it doesn't open like this. I'm not really sure how that was done, but I guess that's what it is. Anyways, so I'm going to open it now. We're going to check this out together. The complaint on this one was, first it was that it was, I don't know, I got to go back and look at this again, because I'm going to tell you flat out. The way it was described, really, it kind of just twisted on me a little bit, but it's okay. I mean, it happens. So I'm going to go and open this one real quick. It's right here. And it says, unit, okay. Here's what I get, right? I get, in all caps, it says, unit is not working per spec. And I wrote back, because I didn't understand what the hell that meant. I said, can you please let me know what spec? Will not change display most of the time. Will change if not touched. I reviewed your page on this charger before I purchased yours. Worked better than this one. Going to replace it with ISDD Q6. If you can't take it back, I'll gut it for parts and trash the rest. Okay. So first thing I said was, hey, how about you cut back on all caps? Because everything was all caps. I'm just, I can't read all that crap. And then I said, I'll issue an RMA, check it out, and so forth. Okay. So here's the deal. That's what I was told. So we're going to check and see. All right. So here goes. I've got to keep this down though, because I don't want to reveal the person's name. Like I said, we're not doing this. And I understand that some of you guys, you may be like, well, screw that, man. Just, it was mine and you're just being an ass about it. Well, hey, you know what? Look, sometimes you guys seem to forget that I'm a human being too, and the way you guys talk and do whatever kind of really doesn't sit well either. So I don't mean to come across rude, as I'm sure you didn't either, or whoever didn't, but it's, it's something that I guess out of frustration, who knows. So let's open this up. So we've got the ToolKitRC. Now, I just used mine here just a minute ago, so if we do get these next to each other, you'll know mine because it's got the several wires on here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to check this out. So first thing I'm going to do is power it up, right? So it will not perform to its spec. Now, I don't know what the spec is again. It was apparently the screen, but I am going to see, okay? So it says it won't change screens. What was it? It will not... will not change display most of the time, okay? First of all, I'm going to test the response on this one. So far, so good. Let's sit here for a minute. And I can keep doing this for a minute. Just keep going. I don't even know if I've been a minute. Let's just say... You get the point? Okay, good. Now let's hit enter, screen change. Let's go to the next one, enter, screen change. Let's go to the next one, enter, screen change. Let's go to the next one, enter, screen change. Oh, let's try it again. Let's just go here. Let's just keep going the menus. No, okay, let's go to the next one, enter. No, let's go to the next one, enter. Okay, nothing wrong. There is, and look, if this customer is watching, which I don't know if you are, if you're going to watch this, but you and me. Okay? There. You and me. You know there wasn't anything wrong with this. I know there wasn't anything wrong with this. I'm going to put it through a bunch of tests, but I'm going to tell you right now, unit works fine. Want to prove it? Here's mine. Okay? I'm going to hook up a LiPo to it because I don't have two AC to DC chargers. So let me just plug mine in. Okay? I'll try to do it this way until my fingers move, but here goes. I don't know if I'm blocking that, so I'm just going to go the other way. Okay, so let's just go to the next thing here. Let's go, where are we at? Measure, let's hit enter. Oh, okay. Let's, it's not as easy trying to do this, but with two. There you go. Okay, let's go output. Oh, my wife's home. Perfect. Hey, look, there's a break there. Okay, so at the end of the day, here's the deal. Nothing wrong with the product at all. You know it, I know it. You just didn't want to keep it. You want to get something else instead. Well, it's an open box. It'll be a restocking fee, and you'll have a store credit. That is the RMA process, guys. That is the return process. I'm just trying to keep everybody honest, okay? If there was something wrong with it, I would definitely take care of you. Right now, honestly, you're just trying to use something, then you know what, you just change your mind, and then I'm supposed to take the hit on it. And like, that's not the way these things work, okay, guys? We are supposed to be honest with each other. That's how it works. And the minute you start trying to be dishonest with me, it's the minute I'm like, look, man, you know, I sell this stuff. There's very little margin on these things. You open it, you use it. I can't sell it as new, and there's nothing wrong with it. All right, guys. If you have any questions, hit me up. You have my email address, or sorry, my contact page. Use that, cyclonefpv.com. Go to our contact page there. Please follow us on Facebook, and please, subscribe to us on YouTube. And as always, God bless. Be safe. Spend time with your family. I'm about to go spend time with my wife right now. And please, guys, I will always take care of you. But if you can't tell me the truth, if you try to screw me out of something, I'm gonna catch you on it, okay? All I ask is to be honest and respect the fact that we work hard. There's not much money in this business, so stop trying to take what little there is. Peace!